Hey, memoir writers. I'm on day 22 of writing a memoir. I haven't done my writing yet today, but yesterday I spent quite a bit of time looking again at my structure. In fact, I drew it out again to make sure that I understood the protagonist's desire. What does this person want? And that's my before and after story. So I took a piece of paper at the bottom where I ended up. And the words aren't perfect, but I have a clear idea of it in my head. And then I again looked at my 3-act structure. And I know that the first about 25% of the memoir is creating my world and the challenge, letting you know what my desire is, and then some inciting incidents, and since my stories about lies and secrets, and I don't know if I'm going to uncover more, but I've uncovered some, I can start revealing some of those secrets and the mystery and finding out what the truth is, which is also related to my journey. So I did this, and then I plotted in Act 2 what a lot of the obstacles are, and at the midpoint of the novel, about 50% through, is there another turning point there? I said novel, but I meant memoir. But when we're plotting for story, if you're writing, a narrative memoir, you want it to be interesting and you want it to be story. So you do use the same elements that novel writers use. So I went through this. I went through the 3-act structure, and I had it clear in my head at this point. Again, this is what I'm writing about. And then I sat down and I picked a scene that was emotional. First, I started with some exposition, and then I went into a scene, and I found that my exercises of pouring into well-written scenes that I told you about, where I copied scenes from writers who write very well. And when I say copy them, I transcribe them onto my computer, and then I erase them. I don't copy it, use it for anything other than for that good writing to flow through me. And it's interesting that I'd done some reading in a good memoir, I'd done that transcription, and the quality of my writing yesterday was better, much better. It's still first draft material, but I was feeling pretty good about it. And I think I hit somewhat of a flow. So I didn't write pages and pages, but I had 1,200 words, which is good. So being clear on my theme, being clear on my before and after story and my structure, combining that with immersing myself with some good writing, I had a really good writing day. And I feel good about the project, and writing a memoir is a little bit of a roller coaster, and I think I'm on an upward swing right now. We'll see how it goes. Happy writing. Look the links below if you want to join our memoir writing group, First Person Writing, where we celebrate memoir and personal essays, or take any of our courses from Jack Walker Press and AmyLouJenkins.com. Happy writing. Bye.